Oh. Help me, Mario. Where's the cheese?
I don't know, Luigi. Try closing it and opening it again.
See, there's nothing in there.
Here, slam it and open it again.
Why? That would be a crazy idea.
Just open it again.
Why?
Because I told you to, okay? Do it.
Yes. Oh, Mario, look what I found. A pair of earbuds.
Oh, yeah, Luigi, let's go get them.
Oh, yeah. Let's get
Wait a minute. How did this happen? Dude, you mind getting them out? Are you having a seizure? Do I have to call the doctor?
Oh, man. What happened? Why put this out?
Just grab it and come out of here, because this is really weird. I'm trying headphones in the fridge.
Mario, help me. I want some.
Wait a minute, Luigi. I think maybe if we open it again, we'll find something inside.
Really? Do you think I should believe that?
Yeah, just do it. I think.
This one?
No, the fridge, not the freezer.
This one?
Yeah, the fridge.
Oh, the fridge?
No, that's the freezer. The fridge. Okay, you get it? It's a football.
Mario, look what I found, a football.
Yes, let's go.
Pick it up.
Let's go get it.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah. Interesting.
Oh, look what I can do. Okay.
Okay, Luigi, let's see what's in here again. Oh, crap!
No! No, Mario, stop!